Ran over from my grandma's house to my aunt's house because they live in the same neighborhood for breakfast. My uncle's really good at cooking, so he's making us all breakfast. I don't know what we're having yet, but I don't know, has anything else exciting happened? We ran here. My cousins are really fast. I'm like getting shorter than all of them. All my cousins are getting taller. My grandma keeps being like, you just look smaller to me, and I'm like, because everyone's getting taller than me. So that's a fun thing. I don't think we're doing much today except that 2 more families of cousins are getting here. So there's 3 of us right now and 2 more are getting here today. And we're all fitting in 2 little houses. So last night we were all out on pads in my grandma's living room. There's Luke in the background. Beautiful. Where's his head?
It's in my bag.
He's just cuddling. He's so like, like, if you just touch him.
He feels like really smooth though. He's cool.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Do you know where we are?
Yeah.
Where is this called?
E.
We're at the ocean finally, and we passed through Malibu and everything, and it was pretty.
Saw a bunch of supercars.
Bobby loves the cars here.
Saw McLaren P1, Ferrari Scuderia, and 360.
I don't know what a lot of that means, but they look really cool. The P1 looks cool. He's like, you only know what things look like. I'm used to him being like.
But you probably can't even imagine them anymore.
You can't even imagine what? He finally saw like a Ferrari.
2 of them.
You saw 2? I just saw the red one.
Yep.
Oh man! Look at this. Bobby, look at the truck. Crystals. So you just like take them out of here?
Yeah, trying to. They're pretty
Come on! Oh.
And you died.
Nathan's more tired. Oh! I hate it. Come on! Come on! Oh, that was really close.
Pretty fun. Yeah.
We're doing a bonfire now.
My face is like burning.
We finally made it.
This is great. I feel it burning my face off.
It's pretty
It's
fun.
a fire.
I already have video.
Yeah.
Ooh, our
really
faces
bright.
are burning off.
Oh god.
Oh, the sand's warm right here.
I'd rather, can I sub my face on the sand and I won't die?
You're being ass chased.
Ah.
Oh, self-conscious because she just took off her makeup. But if you see the beginning of the vlog, I don't have any makeup on. So it's like, oh my gosh, look at my hands. They're all dirty from the bonfire. But yeah, we had our bonfire and then we just came home. It was at some beach, I don't know. But that was a really cool bonfire. Dockweiler Beach. And it was a cool fire, and it was really big, and we had pizza and s'mores, and we all just chilled. And then when we had the big fire, a bunch of people from other fires came over, and that was really cool. And we're doing exciting things for tomorrow. Do you have anything to say, Mom?
Good night. I'm tired. I have smoke in my eyes from the bonfire.
Still? I don't think I got any smoke in my eyes. It's because you have LASIK and not contacts.
Yep. Love it.
Okay. Good night.